Welcome to Part 4 of this series of tutorials on generating searchable keywords and using subject headings and subject terms. In databases, keyword and subject searches work in a similar way to keyword and subject heading searches in library catalogs. I'll demonstrate a search in the database Academic Search Complete. We'll use the keywords we came up with in video 2 to demonstrate a more complex search. We'll use the terms video games or computer games or gaming and cognitive skills or cognitive function or cognitive ability and child or school child. Let's take a look at this item from our results list. The database has found the keywords gaming, video game, cognitive skills, cognitive functions, school children, and children in the title and abstract of this journal article's record. If you take a look at the subject terms list, you will notice that these are mostly composed of only one word or phrase, rather than combinations of terms like you see with subject headings in a library catalog. This is because database searches are typically geared towards keyword searches rather than subject heading searches. Subject terms in a database are still very useful, however, because they show you which types of terms the database uses to describe various subjects. They also provide researchers with further ideas for search terms to use. In this example, cognition could be a good term to use in addition to cognitive skills and cognitive functions. Keyword searches are a good place to begin your research, as you can get a good sense of the kinds of keywords that are useful for finding items relevant to your research topic. You can then look at the subject headings in a library catalog and subject terms in a database for the books and articles that you find, and then use these subject headings or subject terms to find more items that have also been described in this way. These 4 videos have demonstrated the basics of searching in library catalogs using keywords and subject headings, and searching in databases using keywords and subjects. Remember to contact AU Library with your questions and concerns.